you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare roti mutgi or jawar roti mutgi. Roti mutgi or jawar roti mutia is a traditional North Karnataka food prepared using jawar roti. It is very healthy and you can serve it with pickle or garlic chutney. Let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare mutgi. We need 1 cup of jawar flour, water, finely chopped coriander leaves, chopped garlic, oil and salt to taste. First we have to keep water for heating. Allow water to boil completely. Take jawar flour in a sieve. We have to pass this through sieve. Make a small well in this flour. Water has started boiling. Now we have to add hot water to this. Mix this well. Water would be very hot, so we have to mix it with spoon first. Add some more water. Knead this well. Add little cold water. We have to knead this dough like this. In this I am going to make 2 roti mutgi. So I will divide it into 2 parts. Take 1 dough ball. Knead this one more time before making roti. Make a ball out of this dough. Sprinkle some jawar flour. Now we have to tap this dough. This roti should be little thick. Now tapping is done. Now we have to put this on hot tawa. This side we have to apply water with cotton cloth. Keep stove heat to high. Now we have to flip it to the other side. Roast this side for 30 to 40 seconds. Now we can flip this one more time. Slightly press it so that roti will puff up well. Flip this one more time. Press the edge so that it will roast well. Keep stove heat to low. Let's take out the roti. Take well roasted roti on cookie sheet or cutting board. Add finely chopped garlic, or you can use crushed garlic, finely chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, oil. You can use oil or clarified butter. Now we have to fold this. Now we have to combine everything well. If you feel it is hot, you can use rolling pin to mix this well. Traditionally, it is mixed in stone mortar and then make it into a mutigi or mutia or kind of ball or savory laddu. Healthy and tasty roti mutgi or jawar roti mutgi is ready to enjoy. This is a very simple version of roti mutgi or jawar roti mutgi. You can eat it with pickle, ghee or garlic chutney. If you would like to eat mutgi to be little spicy, you can add finely chopped green chili or red chili powder. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.